So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit or adjust line spacing here on Visme. So first thing you have to do is add some text to your design by going to the top left, pressing on the text icon right here to add some text to your design. So if I wanted to just type in the word spacing, just like that, because it seems suitable for this video, I will just go ahead and make it a little bit larger so it's easy to see. So as of right now, this is the default line spacing. It's pretty straightforward. Now, if you want to adjust this, what I want you to do is press on this on the text right here, go to the top left and press on edit. And go right here to where it says there's a whole bunch of different options right here. I want you to go ahead where it says more right here. And if you press on more, the drop down, the first one is spacing. So you can change the horizontal spacing, vertical spacing, line height, and letter spacing. So we want to, in this video, adjust, what do we want to adjust again? We want to adjust line spacing, if I'm not mistaken. My apologies there. So where it says line height, you can go ahead and change the line height right here. So if you want to make it a little bit larger, if you were to type text underneath of that, I'll do spacing again. It now changes the line height. So if you want to do the exact same thing, get the drop down right here. You can then adjust this bar and make it as tall or as short as you may wish. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can adjust line spacing here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.